goddamn T-bones for your ass. Yes, sir. That's how we eat, nigga. We eat like the rich folks. Smoking us out of here, ain't you? Damn, they ain't got enough room for all these bitches. God damn. Damn gorditas and shit. Real good. Nigga, that's that cure food right there, man. Smell that cure. That cure food. Do me a favor.
Gonna be good, good.
Man, back in the refrigerator. Smell that shit already. That shit smells real good. Think my baby don't eat nobody else steaks. Damn. You don't do nobody else steaks, do you, babe? It ain't gonna be the same. Yeah, boy. Yeah, that's how we get down. My homeboy, goddamn Brian, he finna goddamn come do my back too. You know what I mean?
Leprechaun Lucky.
Yeah, that shit hard right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy. That shit got a floater on it. Aim that shit down. Aim it down anyway. That shit be wicked. Yeah. You get the little angles and shit on that shit.
Okay, it's time for me to get my pellet guns. Shoot.
You got to, what, we going to
Start shooting back?